Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you this new exhaust fan we have. This exhaust fan have a volume of 1000 to 2500 CFM. Also, for the power of this one, has 115 to 208 volts and 60 Hz, 0.5 HP, single phase, and 1720 RPM. Let me give you the dimension of this unit. This unit has the diameter of 28 inches, and from top to bottom we have 20 inches, and the base of this unit is 21 by 21 inches. If you guys have any questions regarding this exhaust fan, you can check it out on our website or give us a call. Thank you for watching.